In case you've just started following the trial, here is a look at what we know about the makeup of the jury who will decide Brown's guilt or innocence, a diverse group of men and women who has been hearing testimony since yesterday afternoon. The I-Team's Lindsay Gardner has learned new information about Brown's daughter and just how involved she may have been. First, we're joined live by Channel 4's Jim Piggott, who has been in the courtroom all day. Jim.
You know, they did wrap up testimony at around 5 o'clock, a little bit beforehand. I'll tell you, this was a day of numbers. We really got a close look into the One Door charity and how that money was being spent. We saw receipts, we saw bills, we saw hotel receipts, just where this money is going. And both sides say there's a reason why this is out there. Several of those who testified today, including political consultant Susie Wiles, says they would have never moved forward with donations to Brown if they knew it wasn't going to kids directly. Longtime CSX chairman and CEO Michael Ward made that clear on the witness stand. He has given more than $30,000 to One Door. He said he thought the money was going to buy iPads for students. Prosecutors pointed out today that much of the money going into the organization was going to lavish events like receptions, a luxury suite at a Beyonce concert, and a Jaguars game. In court, the jury listened intently as an FBI agent laid out the money trail and showed how over $330,000 of One Door money was spent on various events that they said did not raise money for education. But Brown's attorney countered and questioned the witnesses about the actual spending, how some of the One Door money, like $55,000, was spent on a trip for students to China. That is something Brown told us in an earlier interview that she hopes to bring out in court when she testifies.
60 kids got scholarships from me.
So you're saying it was a lot more than one scholarship? Because
that is, you know what? It is so misleading. I can't wait to get to court because I sent, first of all, 22 kids got scholarships to China. I haven't seen that anywhere.
And they also said the mission for One Door had actually changed from education to include community involvement. Not everything dealt with scholarships. The prosecution did show a chart showing how $10,000 in contributions made to various community organizations in Virginia and Florida over a 2.5-year period was there, not including the money spent on the China trip. So you heard the Congresswoman say she wants to say that in court, and she plans to do that because she will be testifying later on when her lawyers call her up to the witness stand. Tomorrow, though, we're going to be hearing from some more donors like Steve Padgick and Jack Hanania. For now, we're live at the federal courthouse. Jim Piggott, Channel 4, the local station.